Yo, Blinks TV, a CFO, and a day was soon for Pastor Blinks, and I'm a no say. The Tommy one man and call for NT Vision, I say, Naya the NC baby, we call for Adrian. Nana, dear Mebecasa, Afa Hunina, ya to 2020 about a week. A year to say, dear, a was so, and 2024. And I think, say, very soon we are going to get prophets. A pastors be any microphobia ever prophesize it at the afa by 2024 who say we say omoboa a calculation and no my na sa calculation na chart ato ne nyina no e was see enso ye ka bi before say be do na hu say so for na ye ka wo hu say ye chart a na da ho ntie ya adwene and no de ye dai e ka nti omo obi bi foforo mbeka omo nkoka no eno eni say NPP amanyekuro no anhwe ni bia chart ya atomi enipa miyenu ene ebe ye den ebe ma NPP akoso se ombetimi awuli 2024 anase ombetimi awuli 2024 na eni eye Alan Cash eni bawuni sankrofo do se yimu eni ebe ditemi se NPP ebe wuli ache anaso mu wuli enche mami tu adwin NCB biso NPP amanyekuo na ho no true traditions na ewuli anaso nkofo miili na ewuli yewo dankwa a tradition na buzia tradition eni jom se dankwa buzia tradition na dankwa no eye baabi ananado efiri dankwa so ati ase nanado dankwa ne side no ne papa ne family abusuafo no ho no mo a tradition ene ewo buzia tradition a ono buzia ne firi bro memfa nse ho no mo nso na asantefo no mfantefo no bronfo no omo NPP fo mu no omo nso side no efiri yem mentwe wadwene NCB bi so me kai se 2006 there about time ayeto abano enkofo ehunu se almost say Kofo and as a former president Kofo no one supporting Nanado. But this is the secret. Na the entire near Canasa say Kofo no every the other side a buzia tradition. So meaning says I did be a bar or be pre Eddie a court on one side. A Kofo adon so every your friend is saying down so a side. But omoto to abano. This is the case, the situation in Tiafenia, Yardino, Emra Hanamo. She say, Yenina Yahuni, Sana Nado, and a Kofo, and a beprayer. Emma Kofo, and Nado, Jemu de Marco, Marco, Bayer, they a buy. And watch Reno, and Alan Cash and so will free Kofo side, main funny say, Buzia, a one mono. A befesi, Obia, or no so free down side. Enna the akoba and say onye en fama na na because me can say Saturday no NPP for Congress almost repair ma de chin omo to na pai do se na e biti kakra bi bet na e ba no nya memfa abade a wosu nya percentage a wosu nya no na onya eno omo ni Alan Cash e kasaye ena Alan Cash e je mu de ma na e ma ne baaye intina na baaye no Sisi no de edru no so ahemie no e was a reverse because buzia tradition abedi danko tradition abedi ahemie no sa was a reverse ediko buzia tradition ansana sa bedru danko tradition so buzia tradition no enipa edru no so Alan Cash NPP fo ni de omo tradition say Alan Cash na edru no so and here is the case because before say that time no ni enim Vice President Bawumia Obebia, but Nanado and a Kofa Bawumia, Edina Baye. And here is the case: is a Bawumia so be marketing who Ghana for Wajina too. And who is a Bawumia no bet me a deep president into Shemwa and no Kruma NPP fully be a BC Bawumia, a B Eka Alan Cash, a BC Bawumia, a BC Alan Cash, Sana Denetia. She say tradition, men fans a pedia tradition no. Eti se de nkiye nyina enum no sakonwa no ekọ Alan Cash ho no and se osakọ Alan Cash ho no ma NDC for so a omo opposition no enso eka de bia de tia NPP for say omo empese esremufoɔ ebedi so what you say de bia no NDC asemo mo kan say NPP for de uwo mu ade obetimi aya ne say obeye vice president ya ma oni akonwa da and baomi akomarket no so this is the case say ato me fan say nordness no ato omutirim say our next president is going to be baomi our NPP. And here is the case that their tradition also permits say baomi so benya akonwa no so say na ebeye inti say ebeye between baomi and Alanchre Martin. It is one man managing ye say NPP for Koboti at the Baomia. At the end of the day, NPP for never because no in Ru Baomia so I was say or no Jochre Martin our ne Nanado contest Yanu say Edru so. And as ye Koboti so the ma Alan Jochre Martin so not necessarily what almost Ottoman NPP and fancy this year and so because I said the NDC for can and on that way. So what I say so NPP more won't me abano and on that way. So what are they going to do? So me no to me said your more tradition and say no go by there. Our advice NPP say they shouldn't allow Baumia to contest. And you know say democracy is so interesting. In the NPP for the American no someone share the way I'm be managing situation ni me the margin am timi suggest ya ni say mama Baumia contest because am Baumia contest here Alanka she fakra na at the end of the day MPP for no e be ye dai enso be na say nordness no excuse me to say MPP for nordness no enso be ka say woman so no afa na edru woman so but ye nyina ye nim say the edru no so in particular pa no eye Alankash intia no any idea NPP for na was woman manage you don't need any prophet to tell you say na ABC Baumia any Alankash situation no NPP for me pesa me mamu ya we say na ABC na prophet ni be kan man ka so eye idea we use so adwena we say witimi hu this ade we say and this next week members of I told my friend before say before election we say a mistake say NDC for be Mahama and the number 2024 and ombe you know the number 2020 because I knew very well say Mahama will never win this election. So I was expecting say anko be you omodi obi fufuro be yedai ebeba na nke nipa netimi agumi no na next year ka aye easy NDC for koma Mahama so say no emu abie yenyina ya we say next election no there obi abetimi afa so situation a ewo NDC mu no de besie no next time ye bekasa e de afa ho enti e masofo obi na ada say obehya ho nkom Blinks TV bi wadwenu leti eniema